आमचे पॅनल आयले जाल्यार कळंगूट पंचायतीची नगरपालिका करतले म्हण विरोधक लोकांची दिशाभूल करतात. लोकांनी काचाबूल जावचे न्हय. कळंगूट पंचायतच उरतली म्हण उपसभापती मायकल लोबो उलयलो. मायकलान आपल्या पॅनलाचो मॅनिफेस्टो जाहीर केला. मायकलान आपले प्लॅनूय सांगले.
कितें आमी आयकता की आमचे पॅनल येत जाल्यार that municipality will come in Kalangut. हांव इतलें सांगूंक सोदता, for the last 5 years I have worked day and night for the development of this village, and there is no intention to bring in municipality for Kalangut or Kandolim. This area of Kalangut, Kandolim, Baga, Shinkerim is come under planning area. आम्ही प्लॅनिंग एरिया इतलेकूच लागून हाडल्या की लोकांनी जी घरां बांदल्या आनी गेस्ट हाऊसेस बांदल्या, रेस्टॉरंट बांदल्या, ही सगळी लिगलायज करपाक तेंचे ओन भाटांची आहा पळय ती कोणाची मोडपाक न्हू. जे रोड 25 मीटर MDR आहले ते आम्ही डिक्लासिफाय केले आणि 15 मीटर केले, so that people will get relief. People's structures which are on the road should not be demolished. आम्ही CRZ लेटर केल्ली आहा ही एरिया टू बी डिक्लेअर्ड अंडर CRZ2 बिकॉज इट इज डेन्सली पॉप्युलेटेड, डेन्सली ऑलरेडी बिल्ट एरिया. फुडें आनीक बांदपाचें अशें ना, ऑलरेडी बांदलेलें आहा. बागान वचून पळया, कलांगूट वचून पळया तुमी. आनी हे काय पंचायत मेंबर हे लोकल लोकांक दबावान हाडूंक सोदता, तेंचेर प्रेशर घालता की तुम्ही ह्या पॅनलाक वोट घालीत जाल्यार हे चेंज जातले म्हणून, म्युनिसिपालिटी करतले म्हणून, विलेज पंचायत स्टेटस काडटले म्हणून. आमी कांयच काडूंक सोदिना. वी वॉन्ट कलांगूट विलेज टू बी डेव्हलप्ड इन अ प्लॅन्ड मॅनर.
गोयचे रेसर नेहा मसूरकार TVS वानमेक लेडीज सिरीज मोटरसायकल बायक रेसीत गोंयांत रिप्रेझेंट करतले. ही रेसिंग सर्त कोइंबतूर जातली. ह्या रेसीत सर्तीत नेहा देशभरातल्या हेर 15 लेडीज सर्तकांचे आव्हान आसतले.
And I've been racing for past 3 years, and I began from first on KTM Orange Day, and ever since I've been racing and drag racing all over India. So first I began with Lonavala Valley Run, wherein I came 16th out of 37 participants, and after which I went to Bangalore, where I got a platform to drag race and win first position for Goa. And that's where whole recognition of me being the little Goan girl has been started. So being a Goan girl and racing all over India is really gives me immense pleasure to do so, representing Goa itself. And now that I have got an opportunity to do circuit racing, that is basically track racing, I have been selected by TVS for the One Make Ladies series, and I'll be going to Coimbatore in June by 9 to compete with other 15 best ladies in India.
The drag racing what she started is generally not only with girls. The categories as mentioned in her achievements, you can see they are all with boys categories. Ladies category also is there and men also. So it's like CC wise, 200cc, 390cc. So the CC, the 200 what she should take with her bike was with men's and not only girls or something. Girls also should take part, but the men's as well. So men's she has come second position, and the latest one what she won last month was in Jakur, which she got gold medal for the class of 390 class. So 2 years we've been always going for drag racing, and it's a new platform what she got for circuit now. So, and out of which 30 females she got selected top 15. So now we have 5 rounds all over, which are 1 in Coimbatore right now, which are going in June on 9th, and 4 in Chennai.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.